working on multiple projects, including mosque construction, water project, and education. Clean water systems are being planned to serve communities in need.
A masjid has been developed to connect hearts with Allah. This place is not just a land, it is a center of deen.
This is just the beginning. Darul has multiple departments,
Shaping individual with strong character and faith. Our education system includes Hifzul Quran, Nazra classes, Dars Nizami, and much more bigger. Alhamdulillah.
we combine language, technology, and Islamic learning, so students go in deen and success in today's world. We are also building modern skills.
IT departments, computer labs and skills, media house, video editing and content creation, studio setup, writing and research, talif ownership.
We provide a balanced environment for learning and growth, a library for knowledge and research, a peaceful sitting areas for reflection, a playground for physical and healthy activities, and a green plantation to connect with nature.
Male and female, Bargan courses, Girls Madrasa, Madrasa Lil Banat. Dariasat Welfare Trust is actively working
For the betterment of society,
Our welfare system include the blood collection, sadaqah distribution, iftar programs, and Qurbani projects, and much more.
orphan supporting, Yatim Khana, financial aid and emergency help.
we are working on water project, providing clean water to needy areas.
Community is just the beginning.
Much bigger vision is already planned for the future.
Our future plans include better development project, a great mosque already in education, Alhamdulillah, complete orphanage, care center, Yatim Khana, an advanced school and education system, a large central library for research and knowledge, a dedicated business and skill development center, separate sections for different educational and training needs.
Join the build
Build the future
future.
with us.